Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy tool for keeping your outdoor spaces tidy, the Cordless Leaf Blower, a lightweight handheld blower that's designed for efficiency and convenience. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this cordless leaf blower? It's a portable, electric handheld device powered by a robust 21V battery system. This blower is engineered to make your lawn care, patio cleaning, and even snow removal a breeze. With two included lithium-ion batteries and a fast charger, you can keep it powered up and ready for action whenever you need it. Now, let's talk about the standout features that set this leaf blower apart. First and foremost, its durability is impressive. Crafted from high-strength polypropylene material, it excels in weather resistance, impact resistance, and wear resistance. This means it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, maintaining its performance over time. Next, the performance of this blower is nothing short of outstanding. With a high-end brushed DC motor delivering up to 550 W of power, it reaches a maximum speed of 25,000 revolutions per minute and boasts an airflow velocity of 164.04 feet per second. This makes it incredibly effective at clearing away not just leaves but also snow, dust, and debris, ensuring your outdoor areas stay clean and inviting. One of the key design features is its spacious 3.54-inch diameter intake port, which utilizes advanced turbine airflow channel design principles. This ensures powerful airflow and operational efficiency, making it easy to tackle both large areas and those hard-to-reach corners that can often be neglected. The flexibility of the cordless design enhances its usability. With two high-performance 1,500 mAh lithium batteries, you're not tethered to a power outlet, allowing you to take this blower wherever you need it. Whether you're cleaning up after a windy day, prepping your yard for a gathering, or even using it as a car dryer, this blower adapts to various scenarios with ease. Plus, it features stepless variable speed wind adjustment, letting you customize the airflow based on the task at hand. Safety is also a priority with this model. The battery comes equipped with multiple protective features, including temperature control, over-temperature protection, over-voltage protection, over-current protection, and short-circuit protection.